In problem 26, we want to find the slope of the line that passes through these two given points. You might recall that slope expresses rise over run, and what that means, it's the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values. So when we're given 2 points like this, I can think of the first point as being x1 and y1, and the coordinates of the second point as being x2 and y2, and then the slope can be expressed algebraically with the following formula: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. One thing that's really important to remember from this formula is that the coordinates that are from the same point, so y1 and x1, are in the same place. So they're sort of on top of each other after the subtraction, and y2 and x2, again, coordinates from the same point, are on top of each other in front of the subtraction. So keeping that in mind, we can plug the numbers into the formula. I get -3 minus 5 divided by 8 minus -2. So we have -8 over +10, which equals -4/5. Of course, it might also be helpful to think of this problem graphically. I can plot these 2 points on a coordinate grid. 8, -3 would be over here somewhere. -2, 5 would be roughly around here. And so I can at least get a visual that kind of confirms, yeah, the slope between those points should be negative, and -4/5 seems like a reasonable amount. A more careful sketch, perhaps using graph paper, could help us check that even more carefully.